In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conversational chatbot using ChatGPT. Whether you're taking your first steps into chatbot building or looking to enhance your website with an engaging virtual assistant, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you feel confident and supported. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening ChatGPT. To get to ChatGPT, head over to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you're new, you'll want to set up an account. After logging in, start a new chat session to begin the exciting journey of crafting your chatbot. Next, we need to define the purpose of your chatbot. Think about what you want this chatbot to do for your website. For instance, maybe you want it to greet users warmly as they land on your page, answer frequently asked questions about your business, or guide them as they explore your products and services. It's essential to keep the user experience in mind, especially for beginners. Simplicity and clarity will ensure users feel welcomed and supported. Now, let's create sample conversations that will form the backbone of your chatbot's interactions. Start by brainstorming some typical questions users might ask. For example, users might inquire, "Do you offer free shipping?" You'll want your chatbot to respond politely and provide detailed information about your shipping policy. Additionally, you might consider including other common inquiries, such as your business hours and return policy, to give users the information they need swiftly and effortlessly. It's crucial that your chatbot exudes the right personality and tone. For our purposes, let's aim for friendly, professional, and supportive vibes. Keep responses brief and easy to digest, ideally sticking to 2 to 3 sentences. This approach helps maintain engagement and ensures users don't feel overwhelmed by a wall of text. After setting the tone, it's time to structure your chatbot's features. Visualize a menu with options like FAQs, product help, and contact support. Each option should offer clear pathways for users to get what they need. For example, under FAQs, include interactions where users can ask about your services or policies. By offering a structured menu, you guide users seamlessly through their journey. Next, we need some integration guidance. This step involves linking your chatbot to your website using a no-code tool such as ManyChat or Tidio. The no-code approach makes it accessible even if you don't have extensive coding knowledge. You'll follow a step-by-step process to integrate it, ensuring that setting up your chatbot is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Finally, it's important to test and refine your chatbot. Copy the script from ChatGPT and load it into a chatbot builder, like ManyChat, Tidio, or Dialogflow. Share your creation with friends or customers for testing. Gather their feedback and use it to fine-tune your chatbot, ensuring it meets the needs of your audience effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough that enables you to craft and integrate a chatbot into your website. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to enhancing user experience and interaction. Thanks for following along with me today. Happy chatbot building!